These are the contents, abstract, introduction, common statements, objectives, methodology, and software development. Objectives: the Internet of Things allows devices to communicate and operate smartly on smarter law. Users able to control home access remotely. The system enables users to lock and unlock doors in smartphones and web applications to enhance security and monitoring the traditional lock users keys can be lost or duplicate. IoT enables integration of lock with the mobile and Internet of smart access. Smart door locks are part of the smart home. The wireless and control and monitoring. These are the images of smart home. Next, continue to the don't do text and unauthorized access. No remote access or tracking traditional system. User often forgets to lock the door manually. Need for a secure, automated, and remotely controlled system. To design and implement an IoT-based smart door locking system to enable user to unlock and lock and unlock doors remotely using a smartphone or tablet. To send alerts or notification in case of unauthorized access events. To ensure high security using password and ethernet or biometric verification to develop a low-cost energy efficient solution for smart home security. Next will be handled by us.
The mobile app verifies if the user is authorized to access the next Wi-Fi communication. Since the combine to the IoT network using LinkedIn and MCP, next microcontroller operations, Arduino and PSP-A project are received the message from the controller and use further procedure, combines and then load lock mechanism. Solenoid or servo motors uses for locking or unlocking the door systems. Next, feedback. The system sends the message to the mobile app for checking status if the door is locked or unlocked. There are mainly 7 steps which are focused. First step is about ideology of this project. Then analyze about the project, and next is about giving some time and further procedure. And then discussion. Discuss about the project, how the sensor door works. Then we about the development program will start the project. Then we work. Next is
we are using IoT smart door locking system. Target micro